Hey everybody, it's Jennifer from J Stern Designs here, and I'm here to talk about two of my favorite things. I'm here to talk about my favorite place to teach, which is at Stitches events, and my favorite topic to teach is pants fitting. And as luck would have it, I'm actually going to be teaching my Happy Pants non-stretch pants fitting class for the December Stitches at Home event. This is going to be super cool. So, on the 5th of December, that's the first class, it's a Saturday, we are going to analyze the shape, your shape, and take some quick body measurements to come up with which pattern you should be working with and what size you should be working with. And the cool thing about my Happy Pants pattern is it actually includes three different slopers that fit depending on where the fullest part of your hip is. And this really makes short work of fitting the pattern because the crotch shape will be agreeing with your shape right out of the gate. We can fine tune that, and I will also give you um, some other suggestions for which other pattern adjustments you may need. I will demo a variety of pattern adjustments during that first class. And then here is the exciting part. After the first class, you get to sign up for a one on one Zoom fitting session with me. So this really brings the best of both worlds into one class because you're going to be able to interact and be inspired by your fellow classmates because you'll be able to see what they're doing, how their muslins are fitting, and what they're doing to adjust the fit. Plus, you're going to have some one on one time with me so I can just focus on your unique fitting issues. Super excited about this format. So, after the week goes by and I get to everybody's fitting, we're going to have a second day of classes on Saturday the 12th, and there's a morning class and an afternoon class. And we will spend the morning class finishing up fine tuning the fit of your muslin. And then in the last class, I will make sure everybody has a pattern that's ready to sew pants. And I'll also give you some inspiration for different types of pockets and hem ideas, different things you can use to sew your pants. So this is going to be a super fun class. It's filling up, which I'm very, very happy about. So if you're watching this and you're interested in this pants fitting opportunity, please click the link below the video to um, find out more and to register. The class, with the class, there is a kit fee, and you get the printed version of the Happy Pants Fit Workbook and a color copy of the Happy Pants Slopers. And you can see here, their color, everything is in color. There's three different slopers in here. So all of that is going to get mailed to you. And the cool thing is, if you register early, you will get your wow box before class starts. And this is one of the reasons why I love teaching for Stitches. They send you a box full of goodies from sponsors, plus your kits for your classes that you're taking. So register early so you can be sure that you get your wow box before the classes start. So you'll have the pattern and everything ready to go. So that's a really exciting thing. I was actually a student for the first Stitches at Home event in September, and I was so excited to get my box from them. Like, I wasn't even expecting it. Like, I guess I didn't read the fine print, but when I opened it up, there was all sorts of fun in there. And I'll actually put a link. I did a video unboxing my box, so I will put a link to that in the description below. So if you want to watch me open my student box, I was taking vertical stranded knitting from Laura Lee Beltman. Excellent class. And in fact, I think she's offering it this time. So if you're interested in vertical stranded knitting, take that class because you will be ready to go after it's over. She's an amazing teacher. So just a little side topic. But in any case, I hope that you'll consider joining me for this class. And if you have any questions or comments before you register, or if you do register and you have concerns, you can always email me at jsterndesigns37@gmail, and I will answer you and help you before class starts. So I'm really looking forward to this. I hope to see you there, and I hope you have a great day.